start the paging conveyor. Power up the laser chiller, then power on the control box. Plug in the water pipe behind the chassis according to the label. Turn on the laser chiller. Open the emergency stop button of the control cabinet. Turn on the laser button. Plug in the screen cable. Connect the plug of the 4-core encoder wheel to the host. Waiting to power on. Click the red login button in the upper right corner. Select administrator mode. Enter the default password 111111. Click to log in. Create a new file. Here we name it too. Click OK. Editing a text. For example, 234,567. Selected text content. Click the Mode button. Select Static Markings. Select Repeat without breaking. Then click the red light to preview. Observe the flickering of red light. Shake up and down to find the strongest laser focus. Like this. And now open our conveyor belt. Turn on the power button. Open Start button. Conveyor belt starts working. Black knob can adjust the speed of the conveyor belt. Organize the materials, leaving some space at the head of each sheet of paper. Put it in the machine. This black knob adjusts the lower pressure of the soft leather belt below. The strength should be moderate, otherwise the paper cannot be separated. When we see the paper running normally at intervals. Next, debug the test text. Select double-sided font and click Apply. The content can be modified here. For example, enter laser 1 to 3. Click here to move its position up, down, left, right. Click here to center the text. There are convenient buttons to zoom in and out of the content. Click on Layer Editor. The current display speed is 1,500 and the flight printing speed needs to be faster. Change it to 3,000 here. This parameter needs to be adjusted according to the actual usage. Click the Fly mode. Click Pipeline Speed. Here you see the speed of the conveyor belt. It means that the encoder wheel is already working. Next, choose the direction in which the conveyor belt will run, from left to right or right to left. Now the software setup is complete. The only thing we might need to change next is interval the latest. Set the marking interval here. The size of this value determines the time the print pauses. We need to print it right on top of the material on the conveyor belt. We are now doing a debugging of one paper. Take a piece of paper in your hand to block the laser. Make sure the material goes under the laser head before it starts emitting light. Placement material. Click to start. You can see that the marking machine is working normally. After the speed knob is set, it can be kept still. Avoid mismatches with the distance set by the software. Unable to print. Turn off the conveyor belt after use. Power off. Turn off the laser. Turn off the emergency stop button. Turn off the chiller. Make sure the chiller is switched on before use. Otherwise, the laser will alarm.